ही मेरी जन्नत, तू ही मेरी मन्नत, तू ही मेरी दुआ है। तुझ में बसी मेरी खुशी, तुझ में बसी मेरी हंसी, तू ही मेरा आसमां है। वो और कोई नहीं, हम सबकी प्यारी माँ है, हम सबकी प्यारी माँ। So let's start our topic. That is very famous, most famous topic is mother. So let's start it. In fact, mother is the most priceless thing in the world. In fact, we can say mother is a form of God, because every God has their own mother, and every God just respect their mother. So we can also say that mother is not any kind of form which we define only in human. In fact, mother is a feeling which can be everywhere. In fact, in animals also, in birds also, in nature also, everywhere where we just found that love, where we can say that is a mother. Just like love from nature, nature is our first mother, and so we also our the second mother is also our atmosphere, and lots of mother where we just can found the love, that is our mother. So we can say easily, love is a symbol basically where mother significant, and also mother is a feeling we can every time feel. In fact, some type of orphans who just don't have mother, when they eat some food and got relaxed, they feel that mother is also behind that boy, orphan boy, and sometime when they just slept with full enjoy, and they feel just like that their mother also with them every time, and that is also a feeling. So it's a feeling, and mother is that where mother is always stand against all the world because of us, and mother always trust on us. In fact, everyone one time just betrayed with us, but a mother can never betray with us. In fact, sometime mother can't eat food properly, and they will give their food to us because they think our son and our daughter can be so good and so healthy. In fact, sometimes mother do extra work, extra hard work for their children, to their studies, to their future. They sometimes ruin their future because they just want wipe their future of their children. Sorry. And just like also in animals also, just we saw lots of animals where they just got damaged and got ill sometime, but they never forget to feed their children. In fact, they gather here and there in search of food, and they just got beaten by some cruel humans. But after all, they just went to their home and feed their puppies and feed their calf, any type of animals. Just like also in birds also, some type of birds who just all didn't fly in the sky here and there, and just collected only some fruits and some type of worm, and they never eat that. First they their nest and feed their babies, and after their babies just got filled their stomach,